Okay guys, I gotta quickly do this. This is not good because my other video was bad. It did not have a really good job of doing this. I gotta record the things and then I'm gonna quit. There she is. There she is. Okay guys, I showed you. There. Still throw her outside. My phone had shut off and I forgot to test the actual alarm. But you guys are gonna hear her. She is loud a little bit, so turn down your volume. There she is. And to make sure that the other one works in this video, I'm going to test her. That is loud. Sorry guys, but I had to. That was pretty good. If you guys liked it, please like it and subscribe to this video because I got only 1 subscriber. So like it up and subscribe it up. But yeah, I'm going to have to eat something. My blood sugar is dropping. I'm going to have to turn off everything. But yeah guys, that was easy. And I did it. I tested the fire alarm. Like and subscribe to it.